Hey, SGR. I'm going to talk to you for a few minutes today about Book Creator. I know this is a website a lot of us have used in the past, but they've done some really cool updates that I think you and your students will just love. Um, the way that the accounts are set up, teachers can sign up for a free account. Librarians have a premium account. Bought by the district that we can use for our GT program, our study time, research projects, all that kind of stuff. So that being said, you can absolutely set up your free account. I can also set up a library under my account so that your kids can get access to all of the premium account stuff. We just got to set it up together. Okay. So I want to show you some of the really cool things that Book Creator can do. First thing here is once you get logged in, this Discover tab, there are a ton of templates and projects that are already set up, things that kids can look at and just like read, but then also ideas to get them started creating their own book. One of the things that I have really liked and have used with a couple of my groups is these Book Creator and Me templates that the website created. Basically what it is it's a project where the kids learn how to use Book Creator by creating a book. I'll get more into that in a minute. If you're looking through these templates and these options under the Discover tab, anytime you see this link where it says you can remix this book, that means you can make a copy of it and then you can start to edit it and make it your own. If it just says read now, it's just a book that your kids can look at. There's also lots of different like STEM ones. There's research projects, there's a lot. So once you decide what kind of project you want to do with your kids, I'm going to show you one of those Book Creator and Me ones that I did for my second grade. I hit remix this book. I put it into my second grade library. This is my copy of it. And then these three little dots, once you have kids in your library, you can share and you can assign the book to them, which means they'll get their own book that they can start to edit. You can mess with the settings so that kids can see each other's work. They can comment on each other's work. This collaborate button will let them all work on the same book. So there's lots of different things that you can do. I have mine set so that the kids only see their own books right now because I've found that kids can get super distracted, like finding their friends' books and leaving all kinds of comments, and it's just easier. Anyway, so this book, like I said, it just teaches the kids how to use the website, basically. On every page, there's a link that gives them instructions that they can then play, and it will tell them how to make a selfie. So then it walks them through how to do that in Book Creator. In Book Creator, the two big buttons that the kids will use are this yellow plus sign and the I, the inspector button. The plus adds things into the book. The inspector allows you to then alter those things. I hope that makes sense. For example, text. Let's say I wanted to just put a text box in. There's different text options you can do. I'm just going to do a regular text. Here, you would type what you wanted to say. Hi, right? Another thing that's really great for our kindergarten friends and our first grade friends, and maybe even some of our older friends, is that they have a really slick speech to text button. So you could say, allow your microphone. I teach at SG Reinertsen. And then it'll pop it in. Now, there might be spelling errors and capitalization errors and all that business, but it works. So then you hit done, and there's your text box. But a lot of kids are going, oh, I want to change the color of the text. I want to make it bigger. That's where the inspector button comes in. That's where you can change the color. You can change the font. You can make it bigger. Interesting fact, in their font options, this one called Open Dyslexic has been proven through some sort of neurological study to be the most easily read font for any of your neurodivergent kids. Just a random fact. The other tool that I do want to show you while we are here is the pen button. So we'll just go with this one. In the plus sign, there's the pen button. Kids can then use their finger on their touchscreen to draw. But this auto pen is really cool. If you click on that, and then you can start drawing. So I'm just going to use my finger and draw a tree. And you see, as I started to draw my tree, up here, all of these buttons appeared. And it's going to try to interpret what I'm drawing and then give me options to then select and use, which is really cool. And then I can even start to like add colors to the tree, and I can do all kinds of different things. There's a button that'll allow me to use a bucket and I can just fill the whole section with green. So it's just really cool. There's a lot of really fun features and things that the kids can use. So that is where I'm going to stop for today. I could keep going on for a long time, but this video is already too long. So if you have something you want to do in Book Creator, or you would like to work on a project or have an idea, by all means, let me know. I would love to help you, and I hope you have a great day.